versatile lamp. And this is my master. He loves to pat my head, and he says he likes my gentle light. I can adjust the brightness seamlessly and 3 color temperatures, and my height is adjustable too. When Master is painting, I shine brightly. When he uses the computer, I dim the light. Look, I am great at protecting my master's eyes. But wait, where are you taking me? You're attaching me magnetically to the bedside. I come into colors. I can accompany my master to anywhere he wants. After all, I'm a versatile lamp. Ha 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 ha. But what I love most is quietly staying by his side while he reads. Then using the warmest glow to lull him